Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel podcast. I'm Bill Jelen. I have a pretty wild concept for you today. You know that when you try and set up a formula that links to an external closed workbook, there's a limit that your formula can't point to more than 10,000 cells. Well, someone came up with a great idea of how to overcome that limit, and we're going to use Microsoft Query to query an external database, and in this case, the database is going to be an Excel file. So we have an Excel file here with many columns and rows. I'm going to close this file and just start from a completely blank workbook. We're going to go to Data, Import External Data, New Database Query. Choose that our data is coming from an Excel file, click OK, and browse to the Excel file. Now we have a list of all of the fields available to us. Let's say that we want to take the customer field and the revenue field. Click Next. We're going to skip the filter, although if we needed to filter to a certain region, we could. In the sort by, we're going to say that we want to see our data sorted by customer, ascending. Click Next. And instead of returning the data to Microsoft Excel, the important step is to view the data or edit the query in Microsoft Query. Click Finish, and now we're taken back to the Microsoft Query product. If we go to the View Query Properties, we can ask for unique values and to group records. And then we want to choose the revenue field and hit the sum button to change that to be sum of revenue. You can now see that we have a unique list of customers, and for each customer, the revenue associated with that customer. When we're done, we'll use File, Return Data to Microsoft Excel, choose the location, and we get the data. Now the beautiful thing about this query is that it's embedded in the workbook. Tomorrow when we open this file, we can just simply hit the Refresh Data button. It'll go out to the closed workbook, pull all the data back in, and we'll have new current totals. Using external query to link to a closed Excel file. Great tip. Hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you tomorrow for another podcast from Mr. Excel.